Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at the Hisense 55 inches class U8 Series Mini-LED ULED 4K UHD Google Smart TV, 2025 model. Before we dive in, don't forget to check the link below for the best deals. First off, the Hisense U8 series features a gorgeous 55-inch Mini-LED ULED QLED panel that produces incredibly vibrant colors and deep blacks thanks to its full array local dimming technology. This means you get exceptional contrast with sharp details whether you're watching a dark thriller or a bright nature documentary. One of the standout features here is the native 165Hz refresh rate, rare in TVs at this size, making fast-moving scenes buttery smooth and perfect for competitive gaming. Coupled with Game Mode Ultra VRR 288, this TV delivers tear-free, lag-free gameplay that serious gamers will appreciate. The Dolby Vision IQ technology intelligently adjusts the HDR brightness and color based on your room lighting, while the Dolby Atmos 4.1.2 channel sound system brings immersive, multidimensional audio that fills your space, making movies, shows, and games come to life. Powered by Google Smart TV, the interface is clean, fast, and intuitive. You get access to all your favorite streaming apps, voice control, and smart home integration, making it easy to find what you want without fuss. In summary, the Hisense 55 U8 series combines cutting-edge mini-LED display technology, gaming-friendly features, and premium audio into a sleek, modern design. Whether you're a gamer, movie lover, or just want a fantastic all-around TV, this model is an excellent choice. Got questions or want to see a gaming test or HDR comparison? Drop a comment below. Don't forget to check the link for the latest prices and deals.